Welcome back to another review. This time I have a new TV box. It's an Amlogic TV box based on Amlogic S812 chipset. It's a quad core. It has a Mali GPU running Mali 450 MP. The model is S806. Like I said, it runs Android, of course. It has 2 GB RAM, 8 GB flash. It supports 2K and 4K because it's Amlogic, so it should work very well. Let's unpack all the items inside. Just a short unpacking, and it supports, of course, Kodi XBMC because it's Amlogic, best compatibility. That's the box. I'll get back to it in a second, in a minute. Okay. Standard user guide, nothing special. HDMI cable, also standard. Okay. That's the power supply unit. Also okay. And the remote control unit, of course. Very lightweight and well designed. Very modern design. Okay, let's go back to the box. It has a built-in camera for video conferencing in the front. I think it's a 2 megapixel camera. On the back you have 3 USB ports, 1 optical audio connection, AV, HDMI output, Ethernet LAN connection, and of course the power. It's well designed box, it's not square in shape. That's the general shape. Pretty modern design. And I hope you enjoyed my short unpacking video. And thanks for watching. Bye.